Alright, I am doing a audio exhaust stock video to show how loud it is. I'm using an iPhone 4S, so that might explain the sound quality and such. The only really mechanical upgrades that will affect the sound in this test is going to be the DDM Works cold air intake, and I have a Superchip 8040. So yeah, I've got radio off, fan off, traction control off. This is an automatic. So yeah, let's see what she'll do. I'm going to take it up to about 60, 65, somewhere in there. Here we are. So there was the audio sound check. It's stock, exhaust, rather quiet. I'm going to see if I can turn it up a little. So yeah, pardon the shaky hand. It's a country road.